Hey everyone, Daniel here from YouTube with another tutorial for you. This time I'm responding to a comment slash question from one of my viewers here, Balan. Oh, I hope I didn't butcher your name. Anyway, you were asking about how to prepare a flash drive with some utilities should there be a problem. And Windows does have its own built-in utilities, but if that doesn't work, then you may need a disk. So the first thing I would do is recommend creating a recovery disk. So if we go into the start menu and you can type in recovery disk or recovery drive, and then it shows up here, create a recovery drive. And so here it's going to walk you through a little wizard, and it's a good idea to leave the check mark on here to back up the system files as well. So we'll hit next, and it prepares the image to be written to the drive. Okay, so that took a while, so I just sped up the whole process and cut that out. But you can see here it tells you how big the drive needs to be. So you can use a USB flash drive. It just needs to be at least 16 gigs in this case. Yours may give you a different number depending on the size of your system. And it confirms that everything that's currently on that drive is going to be erased. So if you have anything on there currently, you might want to use a different disk or just back that stuff up to a different drive or back it up to your computer. So we'll hit next, and it tells you here everything's going to be deleted. We'll hit create, and it starts to create the recovery drive. Now I'm not sure why mine is popping up saying you need to format the drive. I think there's something else going on with my system, but we'll just cancel that because we don't want to format it. It's already been formatted, so just cancel anything that pops up like that and just let it finish doing its thing. That took an incredibly long time, especially for being on a solid state drive going to a USB, but that's basically the end of it, and we can hit finish, and your drive is now complete. If you want to have a look at the drive, you can see the recovery drive, and it will look something like this. And it should now be a bootable drive, and you can recover your system using this disk. And if you want to see how to do that, we can make that in another video. Thanks so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks. Bye for now.